Today's video, you're going to get an update on the Crumblebee, the 70 Camaro conversion that we're doing. We're getting ready to pull this old small box Chevy out. It's a strong wheel motor with Vortex heads, but we want the fuel injection and we want an LS in this car. So we're going to pull this out today. You get a video, give you something to watch, and if you enjoy, comment. So anytime you're pulling a motor, you want to make sure you disconnect all your hoses and everything. That's what we're doing here. We actually are disconnecting the bell housing bolts from the transmission, because the transmission is staying in this when we put in the LS. We got the fuel lines unhooked. How's it going, guys?
Slowly but surely.
Yep. Are we going to unbolt the headers?
Nope.
Nope, we're pulling headers with the motor. But if you had exhaust, this car don't got exhaust, unhook your exhaust. So we jacked the car up. Anytime you get under a car, make sure it's safe. Chris is a little nervous right now, but we gave him a brick, and that's a good old jack, so he should be fine. Stay tuned to find out. So we're trying to get the transmission loose from the bell housing, and it still does got the torque converter bolted to it, but it should be able to, once you get it all pried loose, it should be able to come straight out. Shouldn't have any. You had something to wax it up or under that fan, so you'd be doing pretty good. Oh yeah, yo.
Gonna come out to the headers hit and look.
Oh, the header's on now.
Torque motor out transmission.
It's on the thing, is out, but it's still on the spline with the headers. So the headers didn't come out with the motor, so we're gonna have to take the headers off and undo a seatbelt. So we undid the header, and basically we're trying to get the motor out. You got some kind of wire holding you, Chris, straight down on your starter.
Yeah. Hold up, man. I got the head.
Remove.
I say because it's style, it's smile and got the big ears.
Oh yeah, that's definitely a stall converter. So we got the transmission tied up, and we got the motor out. Now we're going to push the car forward and load this motor up. It's going maybe into a C10 or something here soon. Maybe you boys get to see that one day. But yeah, we're done with the small block. It's time for LS. So that's what's in store. So let's go ahead and load this one up and get it out of the way. So we're jacking the motor up. We're going to pull the truck underneath of it, and hopefully it goes pretty good. So the motor's out, loaded up. Going to put it up till we get another project, maybe a C10 or something. So get subscribed if that's something you want to see. We're going to be installing an LS in this car. Tons of content coming up on it. We're doing a 70s conversion on it. That's, you know, just so much to name. If you're new to the channel, as I said before, get subscribed. And if you returning subscriber and enjoyed this video, let me know in the comment section. I enjoy hearing from everyone. I'll see you on the next video. Thank you for watching this update video, I guess.